Here we go. Here we go. Wipe your little beak. Clean your beak. You got blackberries all over you. That's it. Here, let me turn it around. Turn it around. I gotcha. Oh, I get you clean. I might need to wet it for that messy beak. I might need to wet that rag for this messy little beak. The blackberries everywhere. You sure like them. Yeah? You like them? You can turn it loose now. No? You want to chomp on it a while? Okay. Okay. You're so silly. You're so silly. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're good. You're a chomper. Alright, give me that back. Come here. Give me it back, you little doggy. Give me that back, you little doggy. Give me that back. You're silly. You're silly. Yes, you are. My silly little guy. Come on. Oh, want another chomp, huh? Woo! Is that enough filming? Alright already? I can't help it, you're so cute. Yeah, are you cute? Are you cute? Yeah? I think that was a definite yeah. I think that was a definite yeah.